Another rare and protected species thrives in the Sardinian waters, the sea turtle caretta caretta. Also known as the loggerhead turtle, they live for about 60 years, generally in coastal waters at 13 to 28 degrees. They measure up to a meter long and weigh up to 140 kilos. Between June and the end of August, the loggerheads lay their eggs on Sardinian beaches. But many of them die in the Mediterranean. The international community has put them on the endangered species list, chiefly due to human activity. Fishing nets and litter constitute their principal hazards. In northwest Sardinia, a recovery center has been treating damaged turtles since 2006. There are currently 4 turtles in the clinic. Laura, the director, and Roberta, the biologist, are doing everything they can for them.
I think Coletto has gained weight since we picked him up. Like any sea turtle that's eaten a lot of plastic, they lose the ability to dive because their intestines swell. If they can't dive to eat, they die of starvation unless they can be found and treated.
Well-fed and in a safe space, the turtle has excreted more than 60 grams of plastic in 2 months. Carletto regularly leaves his tank for a routine checkup. Laura and Roberta ensure that he's finished digesting pollutants and has gained enough weight to return to the Mediterranean. Since 2006, the Krama Association has healed and returned 150 turtles to the sea.